Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about how you can start investing in stocks with just $100. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started, and I'll show you how to make your money work for you. Let's dive in. 1. Why invest in stocks? Investing in stocks is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time. Historically, the stock market has outperformed most savings accounts and other investments, even with just $100. You can begin your journey toward financial freedom. 2. Choosing a brokerage account. The first step is to open a brokerage account. There are plenty of platforms that let you start with $100 or even less. Some of the best options include Robinhood, great for beginners, no commissions. Webull offers free stocks when you sign up. Fidelity, trusted platform with great resources. M1 Finance, good for automated investing. 3. Types of stocks to buy. Now, what should you invest in? With $100, you want to be strategic. Here are some good options. Index funds ETFs, SPY, VOO, these track the market and offer diversification. Fractional shares, buy a piece of a stock like Apple or Amazon instead of the whole share. Dividend stocks, companies that pay you passive income over time. 4. How to make the most of your $100. Here are a few strategies to grow your investment over time. 1. Dollar cost averaging. Invest small amounts regularly instead of all at once. 2. Reinvest dividends. If you buy dividend stocks, reinvest them to grow your wealth faster. 3. Keep learning. Follow market trends and keep improving your investment skills. 5. Final tips. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Starting with $100 is just the beginning, and the key is to stay consistent. Let me know in the comments how you plan to invest your first $100, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more investing tips.